Assalamu alaikum. I am an English teacher Abdul Karim Waqo. In this lecture, we are going to learn about small words that are prepositions. Yes, we are moving towards a special term that is over and above and on. Right? Over, above, and on. All these three words show the location or place of any noun or something. We use on, especially as earlier mentioned, while describing day and date. Right? Day and date we use on. Whereas we use above and over with different situations. On is also used when something is on surface, just like a book is on the table. We can say book is shorter, table is larger. When a shorter thing is on larger, we always use on. We can say a man is on the roof. A man is on the roof. We can say a ball is on the table. We can say a man is sleeping on the floor. So on is used especially when a shorter thing is on larger thing. We can say a black mole on his upper lip. Lip is a bit larger and mole is shorter. A cut mark on his forehead. We can say no admission is written on the wall. Some words are written on the board. Words larger, words are shorter. This is a formula. When a shorter thing is on larger size, on a thing that occupies a larger place, we keep something in a silent mode. We call it on, right? Moving towards above and over. Above and over both also show place, but over has some more concepts. Over is used number one when something is in a movement at a higher level. Movement at a higher level, just like a movement at a higher level. An aeroplane is flying over our heads. Aeroplane is flying over our colony, and somebody is flying a kite. Just like a boy is flying a kite, and anything that is in movement at a higher level, you can say over. A cat jumps over the wall without touching the wall; it jumps. We can use over. So over is used in concept of untouchable. A kite, a boy is flying a kite over us, हमारे ऊपर असांजे मथां हिकिड़ो. A boy is flying a kite over us, या a boy is flying a kite, flying over a kite. Anything fly over. A plane is flying over our colony. So over used in movement. Number second point about over is very simple. When something covers something completely, covers. जॾहिं का बि शइ कंहिंखे पूरो जो पूरो ढके वञे, ढकण जे कंसेप्ट में आता है. An umbrella is over me. It's a hot, so umbrella is over me. A roof is over me. Right? Over माना का शइ कंहिंजे मथां पूरी वञे. ईअं बि चई सघूं था त put the blanket over a baby, crying baby. Right? She is weeping or he is weeping. If a male, he is weeping. A baby, female baby, she is weeping. So maybe for baby we refer word it वैसे. So put the blanket over the baby. Right? When I asked her a question, he put his hand over his mouth. Oh God! When something covers completely, right, we use over. There is no need of movement. Just the snow covered the mountains. Now snow is over the mountains, right? And when we put just like any lily or any ajrak over a dead body or someone else, we use to put something. Just like we can say a ball is on the table, but we can say put the cloth over the table because cloth is a bit larger. When a shorter thing is on larger, we use on. When a larger thing is on shorter, we use over. Just like you put the cloth over the table, it covers it completely. It is the same concept. Shorter and larger on. When a larger thing is on, shorter we use over. Just like snow comes over the mountains. Or don't throw dust over me. मैंने कंजे मथा का डस्ट वगैरह अचे तो पोसा चंदा don't throw dust over me. का विषय ओवर इस्तेमाल थे when cover something completely. अच्छा तो माना रो एक सवा जो नोट लदो राइट माने तो कोई भी ना है मां पंहिंजे बूट ने मथा रखी छॾियो त पोइ मूंखे हिकिड़ो आइडिया आयो ज़हन में त my shoe my foot is over 100 rupees and 100 rupees under my feet, okay, under my foot, right? So cover something completely, put the blanket over a baby, okay, and right, second, third, over. When we talk about different issues, points, let's discuss over this issue. Let's talk about this issue. No more discussion over this issue. When we discuss any point or something, we use over. Let's discuss the issue. Discuss does not take preposition, but when we say no more talking over this issue, right? No more talking over this issue, right? He talked over this point. He talked over this point, right? Over, especially kind of issue they are kind of point they no talking over the politics here, right? So over in a concept like istamal thindi hai, and over istamal thindi hai untouchable, like cover something completely, right? But when we say suppose a boy is sleeping, covers your concept. A boy is sleeping under the tree, and tree is over him. One in the shadow covers him completely. So over use थींदो for higher level लाइ, right? अब population ॿुधायूं का आबादी वग़ैरह ॿुधायूं त उन लाइ best आहे त above use कयो, पर over भी इस्तेमाल थी सघे थी, right? Now moving towards above, where we use above. इतनी गल देना में रखो तो A B C X, right? हाणे त चवंदा हुआसीं त A त X जे मथां आहे पर C भी X जे मथां आहे त B भी X जे मथां आहे. Now we will say that A is above X, आहे मथां पर not direct, indirect में का शइ मथां हुजे. C is above X, आहे मथां पर indirect आहे. B is over X, डायरेक्ट वर्टिकली का शइ मथां हुजे त पोइ बि असां ओवर इस्तेमाल कंदा आहियूं, भले पोइ असांखे कवर करे या न करे, पर वर्टिकली असांजी का शइ मथां हुजे त ओवर इस्तेमाल कंदासीं, राइट? हे बि मथां आहे, हे बि मथां आहे एक्स जे, पर B is right, so we'll say B is over and C is above and X A is above. इन कंसेप्ट में असां इस्तेमाल कंदासीं. से सपोज हिकिड़ो हिकिड़ी एरिया आहे, just like you can consider it as a tree, right? Tree. A baby is sitting under the tree. The tree is over the baby. If the clouds are there, we'll say baby is sitting under a tree, tree is over the baby, and clouds are above the tree. Above use something is at a higher level, but not direct, but in indirect way. We use above. As from this example in diagram, you may know above is used in this context. Oh, fan is over me, but it's right now above you. This energy saver is over me, but might be far above you. So something when you say, oh, see, there's a man on the mountain above us. Sakhar is above sea level, Karachi is above sea level. Of course, does not cover or comes over the sea, but at the right side, at the left side, at the north side, it has a higher level. When something is in a side, with sides, it is a higher level, we use above. When you describe populations are, we can use just like a ranks. He is above us in rank. The principal is above the teachers. Sometimes in spoken we use over, but the better to use above. The population of Panuakal is above 10 million to 20 million. So when we describe the numbers of something, about 30 students were there. Above, just like about 30 students were there. About 10 million population is there. So we use above in this case when something is higher from another thing. Yes, shadow is over the baby and baby is under the shadow, but the clouds are above. You can say clouds are above or colony, it means you can see from in this direction there. But if you find that they are covered your area, now you will say they are over us, right? So above has this concept when something is in indirect way, then we use above, right? Moving towards more prepositions. Now we will move to the below and under. Under is a contrast with over and below is above. What is the concept of above? The same concept is below. What is the concept of over? The same concept is under in a contrast way. We can say X, A, B, C. We will say C is below, A is below X, but B is under X. Below or below. So we say A is a dash X, C is a dash X, B is a dash X. What will be? Below, under. Right? The same concept of it. We can say he is working under me or below me. But right way to say below me, but in spoken we say he is under me and I am his superior. Okay? Okay, we can say the students were below the 30. Right? The same calculation that we described in above for above is the same in contrast with it. Below, what was the contrast of over? The same contrast is below, under. So moving more prepositions that we are going to learn today. Yes, sometimes we use born verb. Born, it is a different prepositions, right? Born in, born it, born to, born of, born on. We use born especially when we describe that she was born in Sayyid family, he was born in Vago family. We use born in when we describe the family, right? And we born at use when we describe the place, your place of birth, especially. He was born at Sakkar, he was born at Halaji Sharif, he was born at just like Hangodu or something else, like a little bit village, and at Sheikh Mahalla as well. For a place, especially when we mention place. Born to especially, जॾहिं असां चवंदा आहियूं त अली खे अला धीअ ॾिनी आहे, अहमद खे अला पुटु ॾिनो आहे, अली या अहमद खे जेको पुटु ॾींदो आहे त पोइ उन लाइ चवंदा आहियूं अ बेबी इज़ बॉर्न टू अली. ज़ाहिर अली जे घर में पैदा थी हूंदी त पोइ चवंदासीं बॉर्न टू अली, बॉर्न टू अहमद, बॉर्न. When we mention the name of a person, हिन शख्स खे पोइ ॿार या काकी वग़ैरह अला ॾिनी आहे, blessed him बेटी or बेटा. So born to. Born of when we mention parents word. Einstein was born of poor parents. Bill Gates was born of poor parents. But with the passage of time, he changed his destiny. So when we mention parents, poor parents. And born on day or date, he was born on Sunday. It was a holiday, but he took birth. He was born on Monday, born on 8th August. Whatsoever. We use born with different situations right now. When we talk about the compare to and compare to dissimilar things and compare similar things. जैसे हम एक शइ खे कंपेयर कंदासीं त पोइ छा सिमिलर इस्तेमालु डिफरेंट खे कंदासीं त टू इस्तेमालु कंदासीं डिसिमिलर शयूं चवंदासीं डोंट कंपेयर गर्ल्स टू कैट छोकिरनि खे चवंदा आहिनि अक्सर करे ॿिली सां कंपेयर कंदा आहिनि त ॿिली आहे अहिड़ी नंढा ॿार आहे न ॿिलो चवंदा ॿिलो आहे ॿिली आहे सो डोंट कंपेयर गर्ल्स आर बॉयज़ टू कैट or to donkey, something else like so. And don't compare this year paper to last year paper. Don't compare this year's situation with the last year's situation. Now it's a pandemic and it's a great problem. You are enjoying a video online classes at your home. The situation is quite different. Don't compare this year with the last year. Don't compare me with yourself. Don't compare me, this teacher with this teacher. Don't compare this doctor with that doctor. Don't compare me to a camel. I'm not camel. So compare to dissimilar shayun, compare with similar shayun. ये असां यूज़ कंदा आहियूं कंप्लेन वर्ड कंप्लेन जे करे तव्हांखे कंहिं सेंटेंस में नज़र टे प्रिपोजिशन ईंदसि कंप्लेन टू अगेंस्ट एंड कंप्लेन टू या कंप्लेन अगेंस्ट या कंप्लेन ऑफ काई डिजीज जी शिकायत कयूं बीमारी जी राइट माना आई हैव कंप्लेन ऑफ हेडेक आई हैव कंप्लेन ऑफ टूथेक आई हैव कंप्लेन ऑफ फ्लू आई he has a complaint of we can say colic and complain to mean especially can be shikayat karo I complain to principal against you always cheat I complained to my elder brother against my younger brother I complain to principal against you complain to kan shakhs ke against kan khilaf so this is all about prepositions that we learned today. Inshallah, next lecture we will learn more prepositions, more new aspects. If you have a questions, you may send me questions right now. Thank you very much. Allah.